what's up guys? On today's video I will be showing you how do I generate my tax report papers. As you know, this season most of us are filing our tax for our business, for our personal incomes and stuff like that. So I will be showing you a fast and quickest way you can find your yearly statements or monthly or quarterly, whichever how you want to file your tax. So let's go and do it, okay? So you will come to this page and you will click on the analytics. Under analytics you will see reports and live view. So we will need a report, so we'll click on the reports. Once you go that page, you go scroll down and you will see a summary, total sales, tax, tips and payments. So what we need over here is only tax. For tax purpose you click on the tax here, and over here on the all channels it will give you an option for which categories you want to print out, for your Facebook sales, for Pinterest, for Google sales or any other channels. So whatever you want, you pick it from here. And for example, you can pick online store and it will show you this page. Over here you can change the date. Over here we are doing for last year, so you change the date to 0101. For some of you, if you are filing quarterly, the dates will be different. On my case, this is a new business, so I will be doing from last year only, from January to December. So I'll be changing this to December and 31, and we click apply. So it will generate all the report over here for you, and you can print it from this page or also you can export it. So when you click export, it will ask you how you want the so it will ask you in what format you want it. I want full report. So when you click export, it will bring it on Excel spreadsheet and you open it right here. So the report will take out all the sales that made on that year, how much tax you collected, how many orders you made and all that information. But you can hide those parts if you don't want to take it to your income tax buddy who's filing it for you. If you don't want to show, you can hide some of the columns over here, but it will show you how much you have owned for the government. So this is how I make mine. I hope you learned something from this. This is a short video. Thank you for watching. See you.